Hi, my name is Darcel Lobo, and I'm the attorney and owner of Dow Law Firm located in Normandy Park, and wanted to speak with you today about the 341 hearing. This is also known as the meeting of creditors and bankruptcy for both Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Now, a few days after your bankruptcy case has been filed, the bankruptcy court clerk will assign a date and time for your 341 hearing, and that date will usually be about 30 days out from when you filed your case. So if you filed your case on March 1st, probably somewhere around April 1st, you will have your 341 hearing. Now, at that hearing here in Western Washington, you have to produce two types of ID when you go to the hearing. Usually, you'll take your driver's license or Washington State ID card, as well as proof of your Social Security card, which could be the Social Security card itself or any other document prepared by a third party, so it's not prepared by you. So your own tax return would not work, but a letter from the IRS, a letter from Social Security, something that has your full Social Security number on it will work as well. Sometimes clients will have to use their year-end W-2 statement, so that will work as well. At this hearing, there is no judge. It is you and the bankruptcy trustee who is assigned to verify the information that you filled out in your bankruptcy petition. There are no decisions being made at this hearing. It's really just for fact-finding purposes. So the types of questions that you can expect at your 341 hearing is they will ask you your name and your address. Did you read the paperwork? Was it accurate? Did you sign it? Did you list all of your assets? Did you list all of your debts? Do you owe anyone child support? Are your taxes accurate? And if you own real estate, there'll be questions about that real estate. That'll be about it for Chapter 7. In Chapter 13, there will be a few more questions about your plan and the proposed repayment that you have put forth in your Chapter 13 bankruptcy plan. But that will be about it. And if you have an attorney, your attorney will be there with you for that hearing. This is the same hearing for Chapter 7 and for Chapter 13. Now, at the 341 hearing, creditors can appear at that hearing and ask questions if they would like to do so. Generally speaking, they do not do so, and creditors do not appear. However, there are some occasions when they do, and they can ask questions about your schedules as well. It is usually most common if a creditor is going to show up at the 341 hearing, it would be the IRS if you owe taxes, or if you have a vehicle loan, they'll want to confirm if you're going to keep the vehicle or not, if you're going to keep up on payments on the vehicle, or if you're going to give the car back, they'll want to coordinate a day and time for that to happen. If you have your attorney with you, he or she will discuss those issues with the creditor and resolve those for you. In Chapter 7 cases, you can expect your discharge to come about 60 days after that hearing. It's usually about 64 to 65 days after the hearing. If you're in Chapter 13, you will have a confirmation hearing, usually about 1 to 2 months after your 341 hearing. Here in Western Washington, debtors do not attend the confirmation hearing. It is an electronic docket entry by the court. Unless it is contested, then your attorney would appear at that hearing on your behalf. You do not have to attend. Generally speaking, for Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcies, the 341 hearing is the only hearing that you will have to attend. If you have any other questions about bankruptcy or think about a bankruptcy, feel free to contact our office. You can give us a call at 206-408-8158. Thank you.